everyone, welcome to How Chic. So today I have an unboxing and this is from YSL, and I have the massive box below because I can't fit it on this table. But I also have a little unboxing from Tiffany and Co as well. Let's get into it. So this is the gigantic box it came in. I did order this on the mail. And it comes with this big shopping bag here. Along with that, it comes with a little message card, and then you can personalize which kind of message you want. I just put happy YSL shopping day. Then there's my little box here. I really like how the packaging is when you order online, because you actually get a little bit more than what you would get when I walked into the store last time. I do have a previous unboxing of the YSL envelope bag, which I will link up here. But this one is the Toy Lulu. This was actually a panic buy in some ways because they just recently had a price increase a couple of weeks ago. This was at the beginning of May time. Inside we have the dust bag, and this is the Toy Lulu. So this is one of the most popular bags in YSL, and I've been pondering whether to get this time and time again. I always look at it in store, but I never got around to actually purchasing the bag. I always know it's there. It's always been on one of those discount lists where you can go on Farfetch or My Teresa and get a discount code for it, and then you can just purchase it there. But with this specific color that I wanted, I wasn't particularly happy with either the black, white, or the beige. I thought it was a little bit too boring, so I actually went with this beautiful blue color. This is a brushed gold hardware, and it's just a beautiful touch and accent towards it. And I really like how this is super cute, super puffy, and it's just more of a casual thing to wear. This is the Toy Lulu size, and this is the smallest size you can get. The next size up is actually the small size, and then you get the medium and large. I actually thought this toy size was more versatile because it's kind of similar size to the mini Lady Dior size, but it does fit as much as a small size Lady Dior. So highly functional, and it's just really comfortable to wear. Inside it's a magnetic closure, so it's really easy to use. And then inside we have the strap, and this is a full leather strap. So all the way across you have the nice lobster clasp at the ends, and completely leather strap because it's just much more comfortable this way. And also I think the small size onwards, it has the metal strap, so it's a little bit more sparkly. But this one, since it's all leather, it's more comfortable to wear, but also gives that more casual vibe. It also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little holes so that you can adjust the size of the strap, and each of those lobster clasps can attach to either side of these little grommets here. On the inside we have 2 compartments. It's protected by this tissue paper, and if you can see on the inside, these 2 sections here, this top section's a little bit smaller, but it also contains this zipper compartment at the back. And then at the front we have a larger compartment. It can easily fit a phone, so I'll give this for a demonstration. It can slot inside, it's very snug. If you have smaller phones, then you shouldn't have to worry, but that's what fits in the front pocket. You also have these 3 card slots that you can use. So if you don't want to carry your purse around, but you just want to carry just an extra card, then you can use that compartment there. I remember previously in the older designs, this little segment didn't used to be just a divider for these 2 sections, but it actually used to have a little slip pocket in there. So if you want to look pre-loved, you can look out for that feature if you really like that. But for the newer models, they don't have that slip feature here. I think that this is going to be something that I will use very regularly, because sometimes I find that my Chanel or Dior bags are a little bit too dressy, and if you want something a little bit more casual, then this is the one to go for. So if I attach the straps on here, then you can see that it becomes a really comfortable shoulder bag. But most importantly, this can work as a crossbody bag, or it can work as a shoulder bag. So this is actually really versatile, just as versatile as the Chanel Classic Flap, but the storage capacity is much better than the Chanel. The original price of this was £1,120, so that's what I bought it at. I think it was literally 2 days before the price increase. And then in the month of May, they had the increase, and it was an increase of 9%. So it went to 1,225. And I think the Lulu bag line, it actually went through the highest level of price increases. So these price increases, they are no joke. I think they are trying to catch up in the likes of Chanel or Dior, where they regularly have price increases. Although these are around about 10%, which is not comparable to the Chanel price increases where they're up by 25 to 30%, these price increases occur more frequently than the Chanel ones. So I think they have price increases 3 times a year, so that could mean 30% increase within 1 year. So it is quite comparable to Chanel. This is still an early entry designer bag that you can purchase if you have the money, but don't go into depth of it. If you don't have the funds, then I would say avoid it completely, because it's just not worth going into depth for just having a handbag in the end of the day. So the last unboxing, this is with Tiffany and Co, and it's such a beautiful teal blue color. And this is actually a really nice jewelry piece that's gifted from my mom. It was quite a nice gift out of the blue. I wasn't expecting this. We have the little box here. Inside, we have the nice jewelry box. I love the Tiffany's packaging. It's a really soft plush box in here, and it has a button to open. And this is a beautiful heart necklace. Got these little diamonds on the side of it, so it's very delicate, very dainty, and it's in a rose gold color, which I really love rose gold. And with rose gold or just normal gold, it suits a lot of my outfits and a lot of my bags that I own. So this one is a really pretty one. When I wear it, it just sparkles and it's very delicate. So that is everything that I got, and I'm really happy with my new YSL bag that I can use for every day, and my beautiful Tiffany's necklace. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and let me know what you think about the YSL price increases down below in the comments. And what do we all think about it? Do we think that it's going to be the new Chanel and Dior, but they're just doing something that is similar along the lines of them? If you like these type of videos, then please do like and subscribe. And if you just want to chat to me, anything beauty, fashion, lifestyle, then please do message me on Instagram at hauchicyt. And finally, I give you all of my hugs and my love. Bye.